Let's go. Welcome back to Rise Invest. I'm really so happy to be back on the channel. Sive Semiconductors has pretty much 10x since we bought in the premium group right here. We were buying Sive Semiconductors, and this was the original thesis that we actually released for Sive Semiconductors, and it was trading at $8.66 at that point in time. Currently, it's trading at about $89.95. Now, Sive Semiconductors has two new important news right here that I want to go through with you guys, and I want to go through with you guys a bit as to the TA as well for Sive Semiconductors. For those of you who do not know Sive Semiconductors, essentially it is the main supplier for lasers, which is important for the optical networking coming up in 2027 and 2028. As the AI data centers actually grow, they require photonics, and the choke point right here is actually Sive Semiconductors. Okay, so what exactly went down with Sive Semiconductors? Firstly, we called it over here at $8. Currently, we are up 10x on our investment right now, and I want to show you guys a bit with regards to the actual news with regards to Sive Semiconductors. So the main thing about Sive Semiconductors is that it's a forward-looking thesis, right? We are betting on the fact that CPO and NPO will be the mainstay of optical networking in 2027 and 2028 when the AI data centers actually get built up, right? They're currently building right now as I'm making this video, because the expected capex is actually $7.6 trillion in totality up to 2030. So we know that a lot of money is going to be placed into the AI AI infrastructure trade, and that this demand for photonics is going to be present for at least the next 3.5 years until 2030, right? And the expected amount of money that is going to be spent on this AI data centers has already been estimated to be about $7.6 trillion. So we know that Sive Semiconductors still has a long way to go. So for many of you who are asking me, hey Rizo, we are entering Sive Semiconductors at $90 right now. You bought it at $8. Am I too late? I'm here to share with you that you are not early, but you're not too late. The AI data infrastructure trade is pretty much just starting out, and there's about 3.5 years more to go. So there's going to be a lot of opportunities that I'll be releasing to the premium group members. So do join if you want to be part of these trades. Okay, so what are we seeing with Sive Semiconductors at this point in time? Firstly, the thing to understand is that this is a forward-looking thesis. A lot of things are still panning out at this point in time. So with Sive Semiconductors, the number one thing to look for is validation. So what is validation? Validation is indicative of the fact that the market has recognized Sive Semiconductors as a sole supplier of lasers, and it has recognized Sive Semiconductors as a reliable company to be able to provide these lasers for photonics itself. And actually, two news came out over here in the recent weeks. One of them is this right here, and this was actually just released today. You can see June 9, 2026. And let me read it out for you guys over here. It's very important you pay attention. Sive Semiconductors, a global leader in photonics and wireless technology, today announced an $8.2 million production order for 2027 from Allspace, the world's leading multi-orbit satellite company, right here. So what exactly does this mean? This, number one, is validation. This indicates to us that the space sector has confidence in Sive Semiconductors, that they have already planned for a production order of $8.2 million in 2027. We know that actually the pipeline of products for Sive Semiconductors is expected to increase 70+% in the year of 2027, and pretty much this is the first testimony to the fact that, you know, demand is real. There are people who are actually investing and demanding for products from Sive Semiconductors. Another thing that I actually want to share with you guys is this right here that I shared with the premium group members. I'll just be showing this particular post right here that I shared with the premium group members about 6 days ago on the 3rd of June. I mentioned here that Sive continues to soar higher. This is transformative news, with IR Labs joining nvidia's NVLink Fusion ecosystem. So some thoughts. I believe that this was a positive development for Sive. Why? Because it validates the long-term adoption of optical networking in AI infrastructure, right? IR Labs is the leading CPO company and Sive partner. Joining the NVIDIA NVLink Fusion ecosystem signals one thing, and in fact is the most important thing, that optical interconnect is inevitable. So the entire trade right here for AI photonics is the fact that copper wire is not able to support the demand of networking that the AI data centers actually require, right? These AI data centers are not running 10 GPUs, 100 GPUs, or 1,000 GPUs. They're running tens and thousands of GPU. So right here, this is a clear sign that the validation of photonics is in play already, right? And these two pieces of news allowed me to be very, very bullish on Sive. So of course, if I were to ask you to buy right now, I'll give you some technical analysis, but I just want you to zoom out right here. You are in the very early days of Sive. Yes, we bought over here at 8x, but look at where we are right now, $90, and going up way, way higher, $340. In fact, looking at about 80 or even $120 billion market cap is definitely very, very possible for Sivers itself, okay? So I just want you guys to really understand the extent of the trade that we are looking at right now. I'll be going through the TA on a shorter time frame, but don't forget about the potential of these investments itself, okay? So firstly, on the daily time frame, we are seeing a bearish divergence right here, higher highs on the price action, lower highs on the RSI. But don't forget that bearish divergences can continue for an extended period of time. Many people were telling me that, hey, Rizal, you should be selling your Sivers shares over here at about $30, over here at $50. Did I listen to them? I did not, right? I entered over here at about $8, and the bearish divergence has continued to play out for pretty much the past 3 months over here, and I'm up 10x on my investment, right? So if you actually look at the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that Sive Semiconductors has quite a good response towards the current market crash itself. And I'll go through with you guys right here. You can see that these are the EMAs itself. We have a very nice bounce off the 50 EMA over here on the 4-hourly time frame, and you can see that the price action is actually quite bullish. We have right here lower lows on the price action on the 4-hourly time frame. You can see where I actually depicted this line over here, and we have right here higher lows on the RSI itself, meaning that a bullish divergence is actually forming on the 4-hourly time frame. And we predicted this. It bounced off the 50 EMA and we traded towards the upside. In fact, on today's 4-hourly candle over here, Sivers actually hit a $101 price action, and this was because of this piece of news that was actually released on the June of 9, 2026, which is today. Importantly, you need to take note that on the histogram itself, the histogram is starting to flatten. The MACD line is starting to head towards and creep up towards the signal line right here. So there is a very good chance that Sive Semiconductors can continue to extend this bullish divergence that is actually forming at this point in time. With regards to my premium group members, I've actually showed you guys a few key potential plays right here with Sive Semiconductors, and to be also careful of this bearish divergence, the fact that this can actually be traced downwards. But all in all, this video is really meant for the general population out there who are actually watching this video right now and wondering whether or not Sive Semiconductors is a stock that you can invest in for the next 6 to 12 months, and whether or not this is a potential AI infrastructure stock that can bring you decent amount of profits. And my answer to you is very simple. If you can't understand anything in this video, my answer to you is yes, you are not too late. Although it is up 10x on my entry, it can still go a few multiples in the next few years. You're still very early on the AI trade itself. For my premium group members, of course, I'll be giving you guys the exact entries and how we'll play out this entire trade for Sive Semiconductors, so do not be worried. You guys can ask me in our Discord group as well. Okay, so I think that will be all for today's video. Essentially, I want to tell you guys to not paper hand this. Be very, very careful of people telling you guys that, hey, the AI trade is over right now. You are pretty much going to be exit liquidity. That is not the case. Many people actually saw SanDisk over here, and when SanDisk was actually trading at $200, people thought that, hey, it was over. But in fact, what actually occurred is that SanDisk 10x over here, and then it went on to pretty much have another 8x on this price action. So please do not be fooled that people who are telling you that the AI infrastructure trade is over. It is absolutely not over. There is still a lot of room for these companies to actually run right here. Okay, so for Sive Semiconductors, lots and lots of room to run. It is only a $26 billion market cap at this point in time. There is a very good chance that it can pretty much hit $80 to $120 billion within the next year itself. Okay. That'll be all for today's video. If any questions, do drop in the comment section down below, and I hope that this video will be able to reinstill your confidence in Sive Semiconductors. One more thing that I do want to explain to you guys as well is that JP Morgan actually has a 5.25% stake in Sive Semiconductors, and they've actually increased this from a sub 1% stake. So you can see that the institutions are actually starting to buy up Sive Semiconductors, and you need to be very careful not to paper hand your shares to them. Alright, that'll be all for today's video. If you guys want to be part of the premium group, then you can join down below today at risoinvest.com. In the group itself, you will have full access to myself, and I'll be releasing thesis on the next 100x stock that I'm actually looking at. I've actually just released one stock yesterday, so do join today if you do not want to miss out on that stock right there. Again, Sive Semiconductors was one of the stock that we actually called. It was $8.66 when we first called it. Currently, it's trading at about $89, so more than 10x our initial trade already. And again, I believe that this can go way higher. By joining as well, you will get all my trades, my 100x watch list, and my bull market strategy guide as to how I actually trade the capital and the flow in the market. I will take note as to where the market is actually flowing in terms of the capital. Is it to the healthcare sector, the software sector, the AI infrastructure trade sector? And these are all things that I'll actually update you guys on, and you get full access to my exclusive inner circle as well. That'll be all for today's video, and as always, invest safe.